Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to open up a Windows PowerShell window at any current folder or file location in your Windows computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing you want to do is just navigate to whatever file or folder location you actually want to open up the PowerShell window. So I'm just going to open up the program files section here, and let's just say we want to open it up here. And once you've located a blank area, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. Again, hold down the Shift key, S-H-I-F-T, and then right-click in a blank area of said folder. There should be an open PowerShell window here. Please note, if you are not holding down the Shift key, you will not see that option. So if you give it a moment here, I actually will load up into this file location. Again, just to give you guys an example, if I just right clicked on a blank area, it just would have a normal option, so you wouldn't actually have that option. So again, hold down the Shift key and then right click, and then you would have the option to open the PowerShell window here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.